Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of my new Ferrari Roma in 1/24 scale. So as you can see, the detailing in this car is very nice. The box packing looks great and you can see it's in red, and there's a lot of Ferrari branding because this is a licensed scale model, and this one seems to be made in China, of course, but this is a licensed scale model, and this is not like other scale models which are just race and play kind. And this has branding of Ferrari almost every corner of the box. The quality of packing is also very nice. It's a very matte red color which looks good, very attractive, and it's very compact in dimension. So this scale model is basically a merchandise scale model, not an actual scale model for show. So let's see what's inside. I'm going to open it now. So when I try to open it, I found that there is a bit damaged here, but it's okay. I'll just remove the casing. Wow, that's great. Look at that. This is a very nice polycarbonate casing which match with the overall design of the car. There's Ferrari Roma branding here, and I'll just remove the stickers. All right. Now try to open it. Yes, it opens. There is one more sticker here. All right. There you go. This is a beautiful scale model. Just remove this. Great. So the overall look and style of this car is wonderful. 10 out of 10. I would still request all my viewers to share your thoughts and comments. As you can see, there's a Ferrari logo over here. It's also in 1/24 scale, and we have Ferrari branding here, and there's a Ferrari logo here, and there is Ferrari Roma branding under the booth. The exhaust tips are in silver, so this is, I was anticipating it to be in chrome, but that's not the case. But the quality of black plastic makes you feel like it's carbon fiber. There's a black plastic here, there's a black plastic here, and all these are in very smooth, very nice, very good to touch. It feels very heavy. I mean, the weight of the car itself is very good. I mean, the quality of casting is excellent. The logos are in 24 scale as well, and there is a Ferrari branding here. The mirrors are not in metal, these are in plastic, and they are attached to the inner side of the doors. Overall it looks good. The headlights have a very nice silver touch that gives a realistic feel. The wheels have a small Ferrari logo as well, as you can see. Very nicely done, and the wheels are in silver with rubber tires, so that makes the car feel absolutely realistic. The doors open, but the steering wheel is not connected to the front wheels. That's a bit disappointing, because we have a steering wheel. The wheels can steer, but the steering wheel is stable. The seats are in black, so I am planning to repaint the interior in either red, brown or beige. I would still love to take your recommendations as well. Please suggest me what would be the best color for the interiors. The quality of casting is excellent. I mean, the doors are very good feels great to open and close. Unfortunately, these engine hood and the trunk doesn't open. It shakes a little bit, so there must be some provision of hinges underneath. This is what I am assuming. So in the next video I will remove the frame and show you how it looks underneath, but before that I will just separate this plate, which is the stand, and show you how it looks underneath. It's a bit hard to remove because it's a fresh piece, and you need to be very careful while removing these nuts because the bolts, I'm sorry. So if you miss out, you may cause damage to the bolting points. So we have a Bburago branding here, Ferrari Roma 1/24, made in China, and I think this is the model number. So the underneath looks very neat and clean, and there is some carbon fiber finish at the back side of the car that gives it a very realistic look. The wheels are free to roll, and that gives a very nice feeling. Overall the car looks great, and I am satisfied because my intent is to take this car and do some customization jobs. I want to add detailing under the engine hood. I want to modify the interiors as well, and personalize this car as per my thoughts and ideas. So do let me know in comments what would you recommend as per the modification. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and I will definitely take your suggestions, and in my next video I will see what are the options available to remove and open these engine hood and the trunk and make it look more realistic. Thank you for watching this video, and have a wonderful day ahead.